In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to seamlessly convert any PDF into a JPG using free tools right from your smartphone. Whether you need to share a specific page as an image, upload a document to a platform that only accepts photos, or simply make your files easier to view and share, this video is for you. The very first step that we'll do is to open the web browser on our iPhone or Android phone, and then go over to the search bar. In here, we'll type Convert PDF to JPG and then hit enter on your keyboard. This will then give us a bunch of different search results on Google, and the website which we'll want to open is called I Love PDF, and this is the link which you'll want to click on. I will leave this website link in the description of the video, so you can open the correct website from there. After you open the website, it's going to look something like this, and let's now upload our PDF file which we want to convert to a JPG format. When I click on this Upload PDF File button, it's automatically going to open the Files app if you're on your iPhone, or the File Manager if you're on your Android device. So just find the file which you need, and then add it to the website. As you can see, I have my PDF file here, and maybe you have a document, an ID card, or passport. It really doesn't matter. Just tap on this Convert to JPG, and then wait a couple of seconds until your PDF converts into a JPG format. Once everything is finished, you can easily download your file and then save it to your camera roll or photo gallery. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.